what's up? It's your boy, name Jarvis Davis in the cut. Now, check this out, y'all. Check this out. I know for a fact that I have not made a video like this for a very, very long time. Now, listen, that Bone Doesn't Harmony song, what I did was very important. I mean, if I fall, man, that's one of those songs, man. I just had to do a reaction on it. You know what I'm saying? And man, it's just something. But let me tell y'all this. This is the main thing, though. Besides the point, it is hot outside, man. Y'all hear me? Do y'all hear me? It is hot outside. Let that sink in. Let that sink in, bro. I don't care about the quality of this. But outside right now, as I'm talking, it's hot, bro. Let me tell y'all something. When you driving, the minute you step out the car, in the next in the next couple of seconds, people listen to me. People listen, bro. I'm telling y'all right now, bro. You can have the AC on, right? And say if you go to Kroger's, HEB, Walmart, in a couple of seconds you already sweating. What do that tell you? Stay your butt inside. Because it ain't no game. it's no freaking game outside, bro. I'm telling y'all, man. Now, let me check something real quick. Cause I'm on my computer right now. It's 88 right now. It feel like it's 90. It feel like it's 90 outside right now, man. And look, July is tomorrow. Now let me see something. Let me check something. We are not that far. We are not that far until games start popping off. Video games is popping off. The internet is popping off. I went from it's being hot outside from talking about video games. It's a lot of stuff going on. It's a lot of stuff going on in US. It's a lot of things going on in Japan, Tokyo, Canada. But I see a lot of people doing reaction videos, man. I only did 2 reaction videos, but I feel like I should have came up on here letting y'all know what's going on, updates and stuff like that, far as my channel, far as something. My channel is cool. It's collect. It don't get a lot of views like it's, it is what it is. I really don't care. You know what I'm saying? As long as y'all can hear my voice, that's all that matters. You know what I'm saying? What? Twitter, Instagram, stuff like that. TikTok is crazy. You know what I'm saying? But man, I see a lot of people, man. I see a lot of people just, man, I gotta tell y'all something else, bro. When you see homeless people that don't have a phone, don't know what social media is, some of them they do, but some of them they don't, and they don't have a phone, bruh. I'm telling y'all, bruh. It makes it makes it makes you start wondering, like, man, what if you was in that position if you don't have a phone? Like, what would y'all do? A phone for what, 12 hours out of a day and don't have a phone? Man, people have to count their blessings that what they have. You have to understand that. You have to understand what's in stake with homeless people, man. It's too much. It's too much to take in. Way too much. But special shout outs to the streamers. Special shout outs that people just do videos. Special shout outs to people who just do video games and stuff like that. Gameplay videos and stuff like that. You know, it's a lot of video games is coming out. A lot of video games. But streamers know. Streamers talk about a lot of different stuff, but I don't want to talk about it. Because I look at the updates on YouTube on a regular basis. I do. But you start just wondering, like, man, you already know what's coming out. People already know what's coming out in September. People already know what's coming out in November. I, I already know. But hey, you got to listen. I'm being serious right now. You got to put God first. You have to. It's important. Now, some people don't take me serious, but videos means a whole lot. It means a whole lot. Not only just to me, but everybody else in the world that can understand and relate to certain things that I put out and what I say and how I'm saying it. You know what I'm saying? You gotta also watch out for politics. I mean, politics, they be going crazy on the media, man. I'm telling you. I'll be laughing. I'll be laughing my butt off. Cause I feel like it's funny, you know what I'm saying? Like, you feel me? Like it's just so funny the way they say stuff, and it's just like, wow. I be thinking to myself, is I'm really watching this nonsense? Like what the heck? What the heck I'm watching? Man, once I get done watching that, I end up listening to music automatically. You know what I'm saying? Cause it's just the way it is. You know what I mean? Like this is how I am as a person. You know what I mean? I watch it, bust out laughing, then watch something else. And what comes to mind is Jim Carrey and Kevin Hart and Cat Williams. Funny. You know what I'm saying? Let me ask y'all this though. Think about it. You watch a movie. It's no way in heck you not going to laugh. You can watch a whole movie for 1 hour or 10 minutes or 35 minutes. You going to laugh, bro. For real. But I'm just talking about all type of topics, man. I'm telling y'all right now, man. Life itself is not a game. It's not a joke. One thing you got to realize something. Don't stress y'all peoples out. No matter what the position might be, don't stress a person out at all. I think I have to say what I had to say. I think I said everything that was on my mind. I ain't writing nothing down. I'm just thinking up here and just saying it. But this has being said, it's been a while since I made a video like this, y'all. Yeah, y'all stay safe out there, man. You know, and like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy named Jarvis Davis, and I'm out. Peace out. It's unfair, I found